Wordsmiths, hello. I've got just one word to talk about in this video because it's surprisingly complicated, and that word is objective. That's my objective for this video, to describe the word objective objectively. Ugh, we're already in hot water and I'm barely 15 seconds in. This word has two different meanings, one as a noun and one as an adjective. Let's do the noun first. As a noun, it means a goal. It's the thing you want to achieve or do. But as an adjective, it means based on facts, not personal opinions or feelings. So why is this complicated? We'll come at this from two angles. First, let's do a quick word origin on the word object, which is inside of objective. It comes from two Latin word parts. So we've got the prefix ob, which means in front of or against, and ject, which means to throw or place. So in the very most basic sense of what an object is, it's a thing that has been placed in front of you. It's a thing. It's a physical thing. The idea of an object as a goal eventually developed out of this. An object is a thing in front of you that you aim at, like a target. That's where you get the idea of objective as goal. It's a thing in front of you that you're reaching for. That's objective as a noun. Now let's discuss objective as an adjective from another angle. This involves a little philosophy and a little grammar. Fortunately, I know a guy. I am he. So, real quick pronoun review, subjects and objects. Let's take the sentence, I eat a cupcake. So, the subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the verb, the action. The object is the person or thing that the action is done to. So, in the sentence, I eat a cupcake, I eat a cupcake is the subject. Cupcake is the object. It's the thing that the verb happens to. There is no I there. There is no self there. What it means to be objective is to kind of pretend like you, the subject, are an object, grammatically, philosophically, right? To put aside your own personal feelings and say, this is what happened. I have witnessed it, but I have no opinions about it. Say I ate a cupcake, right? An objective report might say, a man named David ate a cupcake. A non-objective report might say, a dashing and clever man named David ate the world's most delicious cupcake, right? Dashing, clever, world's most delicious. All of these are statements of opinion that come from the writer, not simply observable facts about the world. Objectivity is the quality of pretending like you are a little rock who happen to witness events but have no feeling about those events. So you wouldn't say this movie was too long. Instead, it's this movie was 2 hours and 40 minutes long. This objective little rock saw the movie, but a rock can't have any opinions about the movie because it's a rock. But I will say 2 hours and 40 minutes is way too long. All right, let's use this word in some sentences. I'm not sure I know how I'm supposed to use this app. What's its objective again? What is the goal in using it? That's what we want to know. What's the objective? Paulina aimed for objectivity in her lab reports, but she couldn't help but note that the scientist found the insects adorable. She was trying to take her feelings out of it, but the bugs were just too cute not to mention. All right, that's all I've got for this one, wordsmiths. Be objective when you have to, but don't forget to be a person, which you also always have to be. You can learn anything. David out.